What's up everybody, welcome to my channel. So in this video we're gonna learn how to upload channels art on YouTube. Without further ado, let's start the video. First open Google Chrome and then open youtube.com. And then open your channel by clicking on the channel's logo on your right hand side. And then click on your channel. After that, click on customize channel. Now you have to click on add channel art or click on the pencil tool. Now this window will pop up. Drag and drop your photo over here. It will take a couple of seconds while uploading. This is a preview of your channel's art on different devices. Now click on adjust the crop to crop it or to adjust it however you want. Make sure you click on auto enhance for better preview in different devices. Click on select. It will take a couple of seconds while saving. There you go. Your channel art is now successfully changed. Make sure you do like the video and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video.